Do you feel scared like this when someone asks you to speak English? I used to feel the same. But today I'm going to share how I went from nervous to becoming the English topper. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share my personal journey of how I went from being an average student in English to becoming a topper. If you also want to score high and speak confidently, this video is just for you. Honestly, I was not good at English in the beginning. Grammar confused me. I was scared of speaking, and sometimes I even lost marks because I didn't know the right words. But one day I decided enough is enough. I wanted to change that fear into strength. These were the exact steps I followed. Daily practice. I started learning 5 new words every day and using them in sentences. Listen and repeat. I watched English shows, YouTube videos, and repeated sentences aloud. This improved my pronunciation. Writing habit. I wrote short paragraphs daily. Confidence in speaking. I practiced speaking in front of a mirror and slowly started speaking with friends. Smart reading. Instead of only textbooks, I read small English stories and newspapers. This built my vocabulary and sentence sense. Step by step, I started improving. The results. When exams came, I was ready. My essays, grammar, and speaking all improved. And guess what? I became the topper in English. It wasn't magic, it was consistent effort. So, if I can do it, you can too. Just follow small daily habits and English will become your strength. If you liked my story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. And tell me in the comments what's your biggest challenge in learning English.